kabalo mag-Bisaya. I really want to know asa siya nang learn like tuon og Bisaya.
Bitaw, grabe 2 years lang niya.
We're back and we are doing a reaction video to Bisayang Hilaw. Is that how you say it?
Bisayang Hilaw yan.
So, ready? This is English only prank in Cebu. Ah, Cebu?
What?
That's right.
So,
Okay.
what happened to my boys?
Ready?
Yeah.
There's a nice volcano over there.
Yeah, there's a nice
beautiful
volcano and
volcano.
a nice place there.
Yeah.
A lot of tourist spots.
Pero dili ka hadlok sa volcan kay di ba naay aso karon? Mag-explore ang volcano, di ba?
Shock noon siya. As in, grabe dyan ka shock.
Grabe to like,
I think that's how mag-react ko if dili ko kay balon na naay mag-Bisaya and then mag-Bisaya sila.
Talamban.
Right side or are we going on the left side?
Left side, left side.
Left side.
Left side, going to...
But where do we turn to go there?
This.
Is it like 30 minutes away?
No. It's...
corn. Left side, left side.
Looya, good niya, oy. Maloy, tani.
Is it like 30 minutes away?
No. It's 5 minutes lang. Wait, na Talamban is mga...
So, dito kami.
You ride over ride is 20 minutes or...
You're right.
Looya, oy.
Dito kami muli ko sa may Talamban.
Oo.
Tapos masaka dito.
Oh.
Ah, sige. Pwede.
Grabing katawa eh.
Asya, ayay, Bisaya na noon. Maliko ka na natin, left side.
It's my first time in the Philippines.
Naglay. First time day sa Philippines. Suro eh.
You know what are some of the best places in the Philippines to visit? Some of like the nice places. Do you know where?
Unsa kahaning religion niya no? Nakaibalo siyang Bisaya.
Grabe ha, baby traveler lang siya. Grabe kay yung English no. Grabe. It's my first time in the Philippines and
Like, grabe
I don't know where to
Amerikano.
go.
Some tourist spots.
I like...
What about Sikihor? Is Sikihor?
Luya.
Like...
Murag ka lang, libog kayo sila pa like,
What about Sikihor? Is Sikihor nice?
Kanang Baugo River.
Boho River, pretty nice. But you never been to Sikihor before?
No.
No. Kay naay daw mga wakwak dito.
Oo.
Delikado.
yay.
Delikado sa mga wakwak. Mga wakwak din na. Hello.
Nasa tindahan.
I miss gyud ana oy. Kadungog ka sa mga unsa na manok ay miss gyud ana. Kinanglan jud ko kanang Pepsi na sa plastic. Murag lami kaya na.
How are you?
How are you?
Fine. What are you guys doing? Manicures?
Yeah.
I'm training to do manicures in the US right now. Yeah. What's this part called? Just grabbing the skin from the toenail?
What is this part called? I'm training but I don't know anything about it. Or
Would you mind if I tried? Because I'm trying to get certified in the US. Maybe I can give it a try. Or paint your toenail or something?
You try?
Yeah.
Masamad tani.
Because
Abi nila dili siya sa kasamot dahil siya. Ayan, masamad ko ani. Bisag din. Abi niya di siya kasamot.
Oh my god, embarrassing ana.
yeah. So maybe I can try it on your other foot.
It's already done.
It's already done.
Yeah. You want me to?
Di dyan siya ganahan. Basta
Mm,
magkuha na.
nagdyan siya na.
Sure, if there's an American, magingon siya, what is that? I'm training to be ana. And we come, masama dyan ko ana. Hindi dyan ko magganahan ana. I can understand her.
Oh.
Jin, mo try ko sa din kay mag-manicure ko na siya baka nagkuhan ko dili ko sa US. Mo try ko sa ako yung ni mapunggol ka to.
Sige, nice. So ako bahala sa imong toko, okay na? Joke na to.
Ay, kamalo dyan siya. Ay, masama dyan na siya.
I lost my pet goat, so I'm just wandering the mountains looking for it.
No
Na siya'y
comment.
kanding.
No comment.
You guys seem like a goat right now.
Uy, ang babae ba nag-orange, ang naong niya, grabe jud, like, na-shock. You have a goat?
No, goat's like this tall, has bangs. Yeah, my goat has bangs. Yeah, it's a beautiful goat. Her name's Car.
Your goat has bangs?
Or sa,
Her name is
na-haircut,
Unsa.
unsa man na goat?
So I'm looking for my goat, and I figured that it'd like wander in the mountains because goats like the mountains, right?
Yeah.
But do you know who I could like report it to? Like maybe is there a police station around here? Or, like barangay hall? Okay. Pero wala ka mo nakikita og kanding na may bangs dire?
Wala na jud ba?
Wala dyan?
Oh, mabli ka mo Bisaya.
Wala may kanding dire na may bangs? Wala gyud no.
Ano man gunay mong kanding naman ay
Okay.
bangs?
Para gwapa gyud.
Oh.
Ang for magwapa daw ang kanding kalayan, uy.
What do you guys sell? What is this called?
This is a binignit. Yeah, binignit. Binignit.
Binignit.
Yeah.
Binignit.
Kalami, ano, uy.
There's
pretty
a
good.
banana and
Are those fish eggs? What are like the little balls?
this is a gulaman.
Gulaman. But it's pretty.
Sago.
Sago.
This is sago, the little
Did
circle.
you made this?
Yeah, with coconut. There's a coconut. What is it? Coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah.
How much is it?
No, it's free. Just for you. Yeah.
Ay, ka-sweet!
Tamis ni siya. Tamis.
Oh, tamis na ay kamo.
Kasi grabe reaction niya. Kasi grabe kayo. Siya, oh!
Oh, Bisaya
Ikaw
man.
ha, gahak mo kaon. Di mo kasi mo kasi. Pila na makakatuig diri di ay?
Dua ka pin?
Oh, darawa.
Duha lang?
Duha lang?
Grabe. Hindi kay bala mag-Bisaya. I really want to know asa siya nag-learn, like, tuon og Bisaya.
Ito, grabe, 2 years lang niya.
Okay raman naman siya accent gamay pero it's still like Bisaya gyud and like klaro makasabot ka sa iyang Bisaya. So that's better than
Dili
most.
like talamban. Like, sakto
Yeah.
yung like talamban, no?
Oh.
That is it. I hope you enjoyed watching. Og comment sa iyang username para makita siya ni.
Yeah, wala man may nag-watch a full video for the reaction but we will link iyang video dire.
I hope you enjoyed. Bye! Bye! Pogi!